is easily visible in white pots. That here comes the magic. I will open this planter and you will see the kind of root system. My name is Nitin Lalit and we are from Alpha Planters. Alpha Planters is a company in which we have developed nice new generation pots and planters which are made with use of recycled plastic, and also they have huge water savings coming your way. So all of our planters are completely modular in nature. If you see, this is the pot what we have here. You might have seen the regular pots, they are a plain surface and no cavities at all. So these cavities in place are due to a certain reason, is that because they are able to hold moisture and air, which I will show you just in a short while. If you see right here, which is easily visible in white pots, that all these cones have moisture built up right here. I will tap it, you'll see it will go away right here. So this is all moisture which is inside. It is not outside, it is towards inside of the planter. Now what this moisture does is to help your plants grow better. It mimics the hydrotropism for the root zone, which is really very desirable trait. So till today all the planters were not able to do that, so we have designed it in a certain way so that they hold all the vapor lock and give you longer or water delivery cycles are elongated. So now other thing is in this planter is that it is completely openable. So we are also saving on a carbon footprint as well. When you order these planters on alphaplanters.com, they come really folded up like this. Is a pot right here with these couple screws here. Right here, this is a screw. You can easily take them. Put this mesh on top, which is made from a recycled Bisleri water bottle cap. You can just, with couple twists here, your pot is all ready, and no need for godai and all everything, because you can do all the hoeing with your plant with just by pressing it all the time. So maintenance, low maintenance planters, all the people who are growing food at home, who wants to grow, the problem is how to water, how much to water, और how to do maintenance, कितनी गुड़ाई, कैसे गुड़ाई. तो इसके अंदर वो कोई झंझट नहीं है. आप आराम से इसको दबा के भी इससे गुड़ाई कर सकते हैं. और एक टोटली एक नॉन ब्रेकेबल प्रोडक्ट है. It comes with a 5 years warranty. If you break it, we will replace it for you. So, but physically it is not, right now we are not able to break it. We are providing the warranty as well on it. So another thing what this planter triggers is, you would have seen the root systems of other planters. So this is one open planter we have kept here. This was in it. This is the open planter, this one. Okay. Now, here comes the magic. I will open this planter and you will see the kind of root system. It's a completely fibrous root system, no root circling, nothing. It's all no root rotting as well. You can see it's right in front of camera. So it is 2 inches layer of the root system. Look at that. This is almost 2 inches now. So this is all roots. The mitti ends here, the soil ends here, and all roots. And this plant has not been watered for more than 1.5 months now. We have not watered this plant for 1.5 months, or you can see it. And still, if you touch it here, there's a moisture right here, right? And so this is the way that when people they don't know how to water, when to water, the maintenance thing. That is the part Alpha Planters is taking away from you and make you a Pro Gardner right off the box. Because if all these planters come in a very box pack. Now I will show you another product which is a boon for raised bed gardeners, which is right here. This is completely portable. You can move it. So this is an alpha trench. It also has the same attributes of our planter. Basically, it is an air bed. Whole of all the whatever potting mix you put doesn't sit on it, doesn't go into it. It sits on an air bed, which I will show you right here. If you bring the camera closer, see, this is all air bed. I can put my hand right under till here. So this is almost now 10 inches, more than 10 inches of my hand which has gone inside of that. So all there is aeration. See, this is all aeration here. This is all aeration. The water will sit, and what else will happen, that when you will water this bed, this is the kind of water, if you see this here, I will look at that. So this is all water and also aeration right at the root zone of the plants, which help plants to grow better. And not only this water trickles down, but a nutrient rich water right here. I can show you there. This is a lot of water, and plants can sustain very for a long time in this water. So if it rains, the water will be stored. You don't have to rain. You don't have to water. Just so water harvesting is done by your planter naturally. If there is an excess water, which question can come, it has been perfectly designed to let the water escape, whichever is more into the container. So this way we are able to help the consumers to do gardening. And the best thing is, everything is in this planter is portable. This is the only one joinery. This planter comes in a box, and this is the only one joinery which is required, if you see right here. And it comes in this box here. This box has all the material required with it, and it is delivered right at your doorstep. You can order it and you can start your gardening. And if you are into, especially if you are renting or you're into a lot of moving jobs, sometimes you're moving to different places, these planters can be easily disassembled and can be taken to whatever destination you're moving next. So portable garden on wheels at your doorstep. So we are from Alpha Planters. My name was Nitin Lalit. Thank you very much.
These are 100 planters, and this you make this with this 100 of this package.
दिस वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो कमेंट कर दीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा लाइफस्टाइल अपने चैनल। प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, एंड स्पेशली टू समवन जिसको गार्डनिंग में इंटरेस्ट हो। Comment down your opinion, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do press the bell icon. अपने दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करिएगा। And for the record, my name is Rashmi, your all lifestyle level. Thank you very much for your time. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sukhalam Malaya Jasi.